Hey, what's up, guys? So today I traded UPS. I started the day with UPS. So initially I was going long on UPS. Let me zoom in here just to make sure. So for UPS, I thought it's going to go up, break through this level. So there's a level here. If we look down here on the 5 minute, it went up, broke this level, held it as sort of a level of support, couldn't really break through, it dropped, that became a level of resistance, broke through the level of support. So that was a good level, so I went long at it, and then it dropped on me. It looks like it was going to drop. So then I got all out here because it just looked like it was going to collapse. I was looking at level 2. And then I switched my position. So instead of 300 long, I took 300 short here. On the way down, I covered. Reason I took the final pieces at the level that I did was because down here, as you can see, there is an SMA right here acting as support, and it also corresponded to the SMA down here. And then if we switch over to look at the 15-minute chart, and pull this up, you see this is like a double bottom. So there's like a level here. This kind of hits this around the same area, and this is coming close to that area. So all these factors come into play. So I took it on the long side. I took it to the short side and I covered. And then here I took it to the long side because now, if we look back at the 5 minute, since it can't go down, this is a good level of support and it's probably going to bounce. So I took it long, it popped up. I got out here because usually this becomes a level of resistance. I expected it to sort of chop around here, maybe collapse before going up or whatever. And instead, the stock was pretty strong today. It was up like $10, $12, and now it's up like $16. So it actually popped up and went all the way up. So what I did was I was monitoring it just to see if it would slow down. It started to slow down a bit. You can see this wick here. So I took it for a short, just 100 shares, and continued to go up. And then it started to fizzle out. I could have added more here, but I didn't want to risk it. I was already having a good day. I traded a couple of other stocks in between this period. So I just had 100 shares. I set it for down here where it was close to maybe $80 or something when I was making that profit. It actually went all the way down to VWAP before the bounce again, but took it here, waited, and then just got out at my profit target. So that was it on UPS. I also traded TSM, not as good here. So TSM, I started going long just because it was above this SMA on the 5 minute. It was holding up above this level, and I think if we look at the 60 minute, it kind of also corresponded to this. There's a SMA here too. So took it long, small size, 100 shares, because I wasn't really sure what's going to happen. It bounced up, level 2 looked like it was getting weak, so I just got out since it's 100 shares anyways. Then it broke through the SMA, then I then took it for the long again. After it broke through, it dropped, kind of held the level down here. You can see this is like a mini level right here. So I took it for the long. Down here it corresponded to 2 SMAs. So took it, and then on the pop it got stuck at this level. As you can see, level 2 already told me that this was an area of resistance, and then that's exactly what happened. It played out around here for quite a long time, so I just got all out. That probably is because on the 5 minute there's an SMA here, so that's probably why on the 1 minute it got stuck there for a bit. So I got all out, and that was it. Just my trade on TSM. And then lastly, I did a trade on Crowd. So for this one, the stock was weak. It started to drop. I went in long near the SMA level of resistance, and then just a small size, 100 shares, continued to drop. And then so I saw that there's a level down here, and then if we, let's see if I can go back. Yeah, so there's a level down here, so I start to scale into that area, and then on the pop I just got all out because this stock was fairly weak. And it did go all the way back up to 111 or whatnot, but that was just a long wick. So now it's dropping again. So that was it. So a total of like 400 shares went up and I got out. That was it. Pretty good day for me. So if you like what you see on my channel, feel free to like and subscribe.